Hello everyone, we are from Teacher International School, Primary 4 class. We go from Science Project Group.
My name is Louis.
My name is Kevin.
Today I'm going to talk about the components of a volcano. This is a crust. This is where the magma stops when it's about to erupt. This is the vent. You can also call it the pipe. This is when the magma flows up and erupts at the surface. This is the crater. This is when the magma from the crust erupts at the surface and becomes lava. This is the lava flow. This lava can kill or injure people and it can destroy buildings. This is the ash cloud. Ash is a poisonous gas that can make people ill when they breathe in it.
You will probably ask, how does the volcano erupt? I would like to answer that question. The magma from the metal layer travel up to the crust, into the vent. The magma travel up the vent, and then the magma erupt. When the magma came out, we call it lava. There is ash cloud every time it erupts. There is also a small cone. We call this secondary cone. Thank you for listening to our presentation about our volcano structure project.
Hello everyone, today we're gonna talk about the layers of the earth. So let's get started. My name is Iris.
My name is Lily. So what is inside the earth?
The inside part of the earth are the crust, the mantle, the outer core, and the inner core.
So what is crust?
The crust is the thin outer layer of the earth. The crust is where we live.
So what is the crust formed of?
The crust is formed of rocks.
So that's interesting. Can you tell me more about the crust?
Sure. Let me tell you how much thick is the crust under the ocean. Under the ocean, the crust is about 5 km thick, but under the land, the crust is about 70 km thick.
So how about the temperature?
The temperature of the crust increase in 20 degrees Celsius to 400 degrees Celsius at its deepest part.
So how about the mantle?
The mantle is about 3,000 km deep. Think of the distance, that is 3,000 km now. This is much more thicker than the crust.
So what is magma?
The magma is a kind of rock that has been melted by heat in the mantle. The magma can move like a liquid. Can you tell me how much thick is the outer core, please?
The outer core is about 3,000 kilometers deep.
How about the temperature?
The temperature of the outer core is about 4,500 degrees Celsius to 5,500 degrees Celsius.
How about the inner core?
The inner core is about 3,400 kilometers deep.
How about the temperature of the inner core?
The inner core temperature is around 5,000 to 6,000 degrees Celsius.
So this is all about our project. Thank you for
listening to our project.
Hope you know well about our project.
So hello everyone. My name is John.
My name is Mikey.
So we are going to talk about food chain. So what is food chain?
Take producer and consumer all the way down to decomposer.
What is producer and consumer?
Producer is a living thing that can make its own food, and consumer is a living thing that cannot make its own food and need to eat or consume other living things to get energy and survive.
What is herbivore?
Herbivore is a living thing that eat plants to get energy and survive. For example, cow and goat are herbivore that eat grass.
So what is carnivore?
Carnivore is a living thing that eat other living things to get energy and survive. For example, tiger, lion, and leopard.
So what is omnivore?
Omnivore is a living thing that eat both plants and other living things to get energy and survive, include human.
So what is predator and prey?
Predator means the one who eat other living things, and prey means the one who got eaten by other living things.
So what is the arrow in the food chain show?
The arrow in the food chain shows the energy flow of the food chain.
So that's all about our food chain.
Thank you for listening.
Bye-bye.
Bye.